We were delighted to find out that we were one of BiGDUG's charities of choice. I'm Susie Newham and I'm the project manager for our Robinswood Hill redevelopment project. Our redevelopment project is an exciting project which has looked at redeveloping the Gloucestershire Wildlife Trust headquarters, but also developing a cafe and a visitor centre for local community and visitors to Gloucester. There's hundreds of sustainability features and I probably could bore you all day with them, but a couple of the key things that if a visitor came up to the site could see are atop of the building are wind catchers, which are a natural ventilation system, so they're helping to use a natural airflow to keep us cool and keep us warm in the winter, so that's one of the features. The other thing that's really noticeable, the entire building has been clad in red cedar, and we're really excited because that red cedar has come from one of our reserves in South Gloucestershire. And I guess one of the other things that you can see is our SUDS scheme, which is a sustainable urban drainage scheme. There are a number of features including rain gardens and swales and some examples of permeable paving that are around the outside of the building, which show how we're managing waterfall, rainfall on our site and ensuring that the water flows away from the site without putting pollutants or additional water into the sewage system. BiGDUG have been super helpful. While we did our staff consultation before we started the build project, one of the key things that the staff were after was decent storage that could help us keep organised. So having a number of storage solutions from BiGDUG couldn't be better. And the second thing is that it being generously donated as well means that we can have the funds back in our kind of back pocket to do what it is that Gloucestershire Wildlife Trust does, which is to protect and enhance Gloucestershire's wildlife and wild spaces. So couldn't be more thankful for BiGDUG's support and involvement with our project.